Thank you.
You know, I'm, I'll tell you a few things which I'm sure some of you don't know. See, my association with Dr. Jain is from 1970 when he came to India from USA.
Mhm.
After coming to India, he joined IIT Kanpur as visiting associate professor. And fortunately, I was as lecturer in engineering college Dayalbagh. I attended their few sequential summer schools. After that, I did my MTech from IIT Kanpur. I took the subject of air conditioning refrigeration under Dr. Jain, and he was really super there. People used to appreciate him like anything in IIT Kanpur. They like to, usually his lecture class used to be full of these students. So he has that, and I met him first time in 1971, during my this sequential school program, 3 years, which was of 3 years. After, you know, first, and another question which I would like to, the answer which I would like to give, why did he come to India after have earned such a big name in USA? He is one of the obedient son of his parents. He came to India, leaving all luxuries there, and stayed at 12 Diptyganj Sadar Bazaar, Agra, which was his Haveli, parents' Haveli, just to serve the parents. Further, I like to say that Pyle was not born that time. Her probably date of birth is in that 12 Diptyganj Sadar Bazaar. So I know her from that time. Then later on, you know, after I came in contact with Dr. Jain so closely, and during my, teaching in engineering college, Dayalbagh, I invited him to deliver the lecture on that, which he accepted my invitation at a short notice. Then, from IIT Kanpur, see, it was a problem. When he was in IIT Kanpur, his parents were in Sadar Bazaar, Dipli. Please check while if I take more time, I'll stop then and
That's
there.
okay. Yeah.
So he every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, he used to travel by the train, come to Delhi and go back. Because naturally, whosoever comes first time to India, they find, the job not of in Delhi and all that. Later on, after working there for 2 years, even Bhaviji was also there in IIT Kanpur campus. And, when in 1972 or so, 71, and he joined Joseph Allen Stein and Associates as a MEP services head. That time, Stein's office was not having the MEP utilities done in house. There were other consultants they were hiring there. And this, and he used to earlier travel from Diptyganj Sadar Bazaar to this office was at 5 Sundar Nagar, New Delhi. The name Joseph Allen Stein and Associates. And after my MTech from IIT Kanpur, I, you know, came back to Agra and joined Dayalbagh, and I resigned next month after talking to him that Dr. Jain, I want to work with you in this your organization. So he said, fine, you come for an interview, we'll see that. So I remember the date, you know, I resigned in my Dayalbagh college in July, 73. And 8th August 1973, I joined this Joseph Allen Stein and Associates as a mechanical engineer under him.
It
And
looks like you followed him every footstep, literally.
thank you. So that's why I'm really excited that she invited me first time. So I thought to speak
Thank
about
you
that.
so much,
And
Uncle.
Very
Thank you,
nice. So
honestly.
sorry,
very lovely. So very
yeah,
lovely.
yes.
I'm sure
So
you got many stories and lots of pictures. I'm sure that you have taken with him in those years.
and
Maybe we should put it together, and Pyle should help.
I will.
so I 71 he joined, 73 I joined with him, and we got a with that is Joseph Allen Stein and Associates, we got a very large project, if I would say largest international project in Hyderabad, which is called ICRISAT, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. And that was the first largest job, which was given to Blue Star, and that they completed with competition with Voltas and all that. Now, the thing is, when I joined him in 1973, in my interview, he asked me one question, which I would like to repeat. He said, Mr. Jain, you are joining this office as a mechanical engineer. That time computers were not there. He said, will you mind after MTech working on the drafting board? I said, no, Dr. Jain, I will really love to work on that. It's not that I see today's, you find when they do MTech, PhD, they say, no, this is not my job. So this is something which I learned from him. And in this ICRISAT project, I myself made 46 chilled water piping drawings, sections, schematics, and the tunnel was almost 3 kilometers long, with all slopes and all that.
Right.
The walking distance. So I'll not go into all that. Now, during my working in Stein's office, I learned from him a couple of things which I would like to see. The punctuality, dedication to work, soft spoken, hard working, and strict and disciplined in meeting plan, project, target, date, schedule. And even, if we have to work late evening, late night, I just tell you that I was married with Varun was hardly 3-4 year old. And I stayed in Stein's office for 3-4 nights to complete this ICRISAT project, drawings and, the tender documents and all that with him. And he used to also travel very late, in that period, since for Dr. Jain was having yellow Fiat car. That time he was driving himself, so he used to go to Sadar Bazaar late evening, morning. It used to be a very traffic jam and all that, so he shifted to C13 Green Park, South X.
You remember the addresses also.
I know each and everything. I was so personally attached with him.
And uncle, it was a yellow Fiat with this big black, almost like a racing car stripes on it. It's so unlike him when I think about it now. It was like the red tie. He was this bright yellow Fiat with these black racing stripes.
It's like that violent, what is that, maroon or red jacket he used to have. Very unlike
that.
And that is something you gifted, I suppose, to him.
Yes, I bought him the first one when we were in New York because it was cold. And then I think that red just stuck. And it was one red after the other, after the other.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you.
Thank
so
you,
Mr.